Kids, let's draw a super easy umbrella together. To start, draw 6 dots in equal distance. You can keep 1 centimeter distance among the dots. Now, bold and dark all 6 dots so that it should be visible, like I am doing here. Now, take the center point between 3 and 4 dots and make a center point on 2 of it. Now connect this point to left dot by creating a semicircle. Repeat the same for right hand side. Now, from left side connect 1 dot to another. Connect it by drawing half circle. Take the center point of umbrella, this you can find in between 3rd and 4th dot. From here you can draw stick. This stick will end taking a curve as I am doing. Draw holder. Draw upper part of umbrella as I am drawing. Now, from first center point you can connect to each dots by curved lines. You have to repeat this for each dots. Draw holder as I am doing. Your umbrella is ready. It's time to fill some color. I am using blue and yellow color. You can choose as you want. I am filling up alternate coloring. You can fill as you want. Congratulations! You draw and color an umbrella successfully. Thanks for watching. Please like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.